Hello everyone, look at our new listing. You've been waiting for this house, I know you have. Look at what we have, come on over. Well, we have a beautiful fireplace, very cozy area. We have a very cute kitchen. It's got everything you need basically. It's got the dishwasher too, a little tiny island. It's got a new refrigerator, microwave. You have your laundry room over here in the back. But guess what else you have over here? Come on over. Ta-da! Yes, you have the beautiful sunsets. Beautiful sunsets. You have a great location actually. Downtown Ensenada is just a few blocks away. You have restaurants. You can walk over here next to the ocean. You're in the perfect spot. You want to see the rest of the house? Let's go take a look. This house has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. It's got also a garage and a little storage room. So come on over, take a look. It's a very cozy little home that you can do all kinds of things with this house. Take a look. This house is in a very small private community right along the ocean, so it's perfect. You'll feel at home right here. So if you have any more questions, you like the house, need more information, just contact me. Contact me, Laura Navarro. I'm in Ensenada. Remember, take care. Bye. Enjoy the island view.